friends, today you are with Vasu Gupta again, and now I will tell you how to download Subway Surfers hacked version. So let's start. First we'll go on Chrome. We'll type here Subway Surfers hacked APK here. Then we'll go on this one website, techlist.com. So from here we will download it. From here, download APK. So click the download APK. Okay. This is downloading. Till then, I'll tell you how to download GTA Vice City and GTA San Andreas for free. Okay, I will tell you in the next period. Our app has been downloaded, so we'll open it. We'll install it. Subway Surfers is installing. And it has been installed. Wait a minute. I have a problem. First I'll delete this one. Uninstall. I have that older version. Then we'll go in my files, internal storage. I'll go in downloads. I'll search here Subway Surfers APK. We'll install it. Okay. I'm sorry for that happened. I have the older version. I'll tell you in Hindi. मेरे पास ना वो simple version था. I have downloaded the hacked version now. So please sorry. Please like and subscribe to my video. Please. मैं आपको और वीडियोस भेजूँगा YouTube पर. So please like and subscribe it. Please. App installs. So we'll open it. First here will come Havana. It is the latest version. Subway Surfers cancel. I'll show you that it is hacked version. I'm not saying lie. Fast. My YouTubers are waiting. Please, fast. See, it has been downloaded. I'll like this only. First we'll go like this. And see, I'm getting out. मैं आपको दिखाने के लिए आउट हो रहा हूँ. मैं आउट हो रहा हूँ. Like I am out. It has come like this. See. I have much money. I'm going to buy me. It is the latest version. See, you can see there are everything. So please like and subscribe to my video. मैं आपको और वीडियोस भेजूँगा और ऐप्स के बारे में. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.